Hummingbird, any of about 320 species of small, often brightly colored birds of the family Trochilidae. Usually placed with the swifts in the order Apodiformes but sometimes separated in their own order, Trochiliformes. The brilliant, glittering colors and elaborately specialized feathers of many species, usually of the males only, led the 19th-century British naturalist John Gould to give many hummingbirds exotic common names, many of which are still in use, e.g., coquette, fairy, hill star, wood star, sapphire, topaz, sun gem, and sylph. Hummingbirds are fascinating little birds with their long beaks and fast-moving wings. They can be seen darting around nectar feeders and flowers across the US. How much do you know about these tiny feathered friends? These facts might surprise you, and you might even learn a thing or two about your backyard visitors. They are the smallest migrating bird. They don't migrate in flocks like other species, and they typically travel alone for up to 500 miles at a time. The name, hummingbird, comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Hummingbirds have no sense of smell. While they can't sniff out feeders, they do have good color vision. Some birds like the ruby-throated hummingbird prefer orange or red flowers. Despite this, red dye should not be used in nectar as it could harm the birds. Instead, plant naturally red or orange flowers or use feeders that have red coloring in their structure. The average weight of a hummingbird is less than a nickel. Their tiny legs are only used for perching and moving sideways while perched. They can't walk or hop. Hummingbirds drink the nectar found in feeders by moving their tongue in and out about 13 times per second. They can consume up to double their body weight in a day. Broad-tailed hummingbirds are restricted in distribution to the New World, where the greatest variety and number of species occur in South America. About 12 species are found regularly in the United States and Canada. Only the ruby-throated hummingbird, Archilochus colubris, breeds in eastern North America, where it is found from Nova Scotia to Florida. The northernmost hummingbird is the rufous, Selesphorus rufus, which breeds from southeastern Alaska to northern California. The broad-tailed hummingbird, S. platycercus, breeds in the western United States and Central America, and the Allen's hummingbird breeds in the coastal regions of California. All hummingbirds are small, and many are minute. Even the largest, the giant hummingbird, Patagonia gigas, of western South America, is only about 20 centimeters, 8 inches, long. With a body weight of about 20 grams, 0.7 ounce, less than that of most sparrows. The smallest species, the bee hummingbird, Melarsuga, sometimes Calypte, Helenae, of Cuba and the Isle of Pines, measures slightly more than 5.5 centimeters, of which the bill and tail make up about half, weighing about 2 grams. This species is the smallest living bird and ranks with the pygmy shrews as the smallest of warm-blooded vertebrates.